Hi, Matt here from Crooks and Cabinet Makers. I'm in the workshop this morning and it is a little bit fresh. I'm not going to say cold. Right, so anyway, it's been a long time and I feel a little bit apologetic to my subscribers on this channel because I haven't been in the workshop quite so much. Now there's a reason for that. I've been pushing the boat out a little bit at work. I feel it's a little bit cheeky to put a price in for a job and turn up on the site, start working, and then halfway through crack open the camera and start filming. I think that's not the best way to make a good impression on a new client. It's always a struggle what to buy someone, but I've got the answer. Well, if you're buying for your old man, that is. So if you're buying for your old man, probably the number one thing you can buy, WD-40. There you go. Buy 4 cans because you know you're going to nick at least 3 of those during the course of the year. Glue, I don't know if I mentioned it. A little bit of PVA glue for the workshop. New tape measure. My one's getting a bit tired, but I have got a new one somewhere. But this one just keeps hanging on. Masking tape. Now I don't know if this is the same in America, but in England we got this one. This is a low tack, and it's for painting, so you can mask off around the edge of wood and stuff like that. But actually, it just seems a little bit better than the normal masking tape. It seems to grip slightly better, even though it's low tack. So I don't know about that, but a couple of rolls, more, you can buy a big pack of rolls of masking tape. Because I got told off this week for stealing my dad's masking tape, but actually it was my masking tape that he'd stolen off me. But here is the present I bought my dad this year. I went around the workshop and collected all of the saw blades. Now, around the workshop I've got so many I've got over 20 saw blades, and I don't even know what they're for anymore. I've got so many saws. I've even got saws I've thrown away and kept the blade, you know. So that's just one pack of saw blades there. That's not the large ones either. And so what I've done is I've got them all organised and resharpened. As you can see, that's the wax coating on it, and there's the nice new sharp blade under there. And that is a really beneficial gift for the workshop. That's my dad's Christmas present. Now my mum's Christmas present is a little bit different, and I'm just going to show you the video for that now. Thanks for watching, and I would like to wish you guys a happy Christmas and happy New Year. I greatly appreciate the subscribers to my channel, and thank you all for your support. Happy New Year. God bless you.